Let's see what happens if we search for something that is not present in the title or body of a blog post. So if I type this and search, then we get no feedback. So let's implement this so that we can have a feedback when we don't have a post associated with a search. So I'll come here, and instead of using @ for each, I'll use @for else, @for else. Then here I'll say @end for else, and before that I'll use @empty. So here what you're saying is, give me this if we have a result, but if you don't have anything, then I'll tell it what to do. So I'll say I'll give a feedback of this bit tag. Sorry, currently there's no blog post related to that search. So save. Let's see if that is working. Come back, go back, then try to search again, the same thing, and now we have a feedback. Sorry, currently there is no blog post related to that search. That's it for this lesson. If this video has been of any help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing, leaving a comment and a like. Cheers.